Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to change DNS over HTTPS in Opera GX. So guys, this process that I'm gonna show you will be the same in Opera GX and normal Opera. And now go ahead, click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen guys, and go to the settings in the full browser settings. And from here guys, locate a system on the settings, or guys, if you cannot find it over here, you can go ahead and go to the search button at the top right corner and search for the system. And from here, you should be able to see DNS over here, and you can just toggle it guys and make sure to check the box, and from that you will get more options related to DNS. And guys, just select the provider that you want to use for these settings, and once you have selected it guys, it will automatically sync and apply the changes to your browser. And guys, once you are satisfied with your changes, just leave it as it be and the changes will be applied. And there you go guys, that is how to change DNS over HTTPS in Opera GX. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.